Hello guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of the G-Shock G-Steel GST-S300G. मुझे पता है पल्ले नहीं पड़ा मेरे भी नहीं पड़ा था. Anyways, let's get started.
Mais avant tout, fais bouger la tête.
Oh, sorry. Warranty. Guarantee.
Mais avant tout, fais bouger la tête. Mais avant tout, fais bouger la tête. Mais avant
Pretend as you can't see the maths book over there. Okay, so here's the watch, and let me make it clear that GST here does not stand for Goods and Service Tax. It stands for G-Shock G-Steel. Just to make it clear. It comes with a lot of features like it is shock resistant, solar powered, double LED lights, 1 per 100 second stopwatch, countdown timer, world time, daily alarm, which include 5 different alarms, 200-meter water resistant, and it also comes with auto light or auto light. बेइज्जती करवाएगा हर जगह. So the special feature in G-Shock solar powered ones are that it does not turn on when it is under sunlight. So it is for power saving, and it has a hand shift feature in which ये हाथ हटा लेता है अपना obviously और फिर वापस भी ले आता है. Yeah. And these 3 buttons are pressed together to check the tilt feature. I mean, it uses a sensor to sense whether it is straight or tilted. Like, yeah, exactly. And this is used to check the display if it is alright or not. Here you can see it is alright. Here in India it costs about 17,000 almost, so some of you might think why not 16,995. 5 रुपए को कौन सा ताजमहल बना लोगे. Anyways, so let's do a few tests on it to check if it is worth or not.
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me? Do you love me? Do you love me?
After the tests, I found that the blue part of it, I mean the steel part, can be scratched. Not easily, but can be. And also the plastic part of it, which projects out to protect the glass, can be scratched. But the glass is not so easy to scratch as it is a mineral glass. So the G-Shock G-Steel is the series which you can wear with the formals. It will go well with it, unlike the other ones which G-Shocks provide, which is more like casual wear. So if you want to buy it, link is in the description. Please do like, share and subscribe. नहीं भी करोगे तो क्या, पर प्लीज कर देना.